Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. In some of my previous videos, I have showed you the multiplication tables from 1 to 12. We have also done some practice on them. I hope you have practiced your times tables very good. In today's video, we will be looking on a trick on how to memorize your 4 times tables.
To do this trick, we have to write down 2 M's, like this. Next, we write the 2 times table up to 8 on the first M. 2, 4, 6, 8, and last we write a 0. Repeat this on the next M. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then, on the top column, we write a 0 in front of the 4 and the 8. Next, we write a 1 in front of the 2 and 6. We write a 2 in front of the 0, 4 and 8. We write a 3 in front of the 2 and the 6. And lastly, we write a 4 in front of the 0. Here is the 4 times table. Let's see if this method works. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. And 10 times 4 is 40. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you with your 4 times table. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!